Hello everybody and welcome to DVelum. In this video, you'll learn how to create a simple administrative module in 10 minutes without programming. Let it be a phone book containing first names, second names, and phone numbers. We'll divide contacts into groups for our convenience. So let's start. Log into the administrative panel and open the ORM management interface to create ORM objects. Create a new database object by clicking Add Object and tick the History log box to keep track of changes. Name the object Phone Book. Title it Phone Book. Add the database table name Phone Book. Now choose the type of data storage. Upon saving a new object, you will need to add fields for storing the data. To do this, open the Fields tab. Add the first name field, which will contain the first name. Specify its title and type, which will be a variable character field, allowing for up to 255 characters. This field is a search field and thus is required. Likewise, create fields for second name and phone number. As we have decided to divide the contacts into groups, we will need a dictionary for these groups. Click the Dictionaries button and create a new dictionary. Name it Phone Group and add some records or group names, like Home, Work, let's add another one and name it Friends. The dictionary is ready. Let's click Save and close the Dictionary Management interface. Now add the missing field, which will contain the dictionary value link. Name it Group. Specify its type as dictionary link. It will link to the dictionary which we have just created. At this point, the work with the database is finished, and let's get down to creating the interface. Let's apply the inbuilt mechanism of interface auto-generation. Let's create an interface for the new object. Go to the module's configuration interface and click the Create Module button. So the interface has been created. Let's check it and click Save. Once the page loads, the interface will show up in the menu. Enter the created module and try to add a record to the phone book. Let's fill in the fields. Now the record has been successfully saved. Let's try to add some more. All records have been successfully added. Please note that any record may be edited and the revision history is saved. Now we've got to check whether the search component performs well. Let's try to search by all available fields. Search by second name works fine. As well as for the phone number and the first name. So everything works fine, but I actually don't like that we do not have any filtering, and I also don't like this primary key column. So to add filtering groups and remove the ID column, we'll go to the layout designer and upload the project generated by the system. The project will carry the same name as the object, phone book. First of all, let's remove the ID column in the list of phone book records. Open the data grid properties and remove the corresponding field. Let's reload the interface. The column is removed. Now let's get down to adding a filter. Add a store filter component and name it group filter. So the component has been added. Place it next to the Add Element button and put a separator in between. Let's reload it. As you see, the filter is a text input field now. Let's make it a drop-down list. To change the field type, open the filter component properties and change the filter field type. Define the field type as adapter. Adapters may be different. In our case, it's dictionary adapter. Now choose our dictionary, phone book, and click Save. Now it's a drop-down list. To make it more user-friendly, let's add a label to it. Name it Group Label. Place it next to the filter component and add text. Group. Now the interface has got more user-friendly. The drop-down list shows the dictionary values which we have specified. And basically we only need the opportunity to clear the filters to view all groups. To do this, change the property value for the Show All group filter and change it to true. Thus, we'll get another option in the drop-down list. So here it is. The filter doesn't work yet, as we need to specify the data storage for it, as well as the field to filter by. This filter will work remotely on the server side. Specify the storage and filter field group. Now let's make sure that everything works fine. Everything is fine. So we are done with customizing the interface. Let's save the project and close the layout designer. Now let's see what we've got. So enter the application. Let's check it. So the filter works fine. The application is ready to be used. Hope you will enjoy working with DVelum system.